Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a couple of items from Ruko that really complement each other. The F11PRO 2 drone and their PD65W USB-C charger. The F11PRO 2 is a gray drone that uses Wi-Fi for connectivity and is controlled via a remote. It captures video in MP4 format and comes with essential components like propellers, the remote control, a battery, and notably, this PD65W USB-C charger. Now, let's talk about that charger because it's quite a versatile piece of kit, especially for drone users. It's designed as a 3-in-1 efficient charger, featuring dual USB-C ports and a single USB-A port. This setup allows you to charge up to 3 devices simultaneously. For someone with the F11PRO 2, this is super convenient as you can charge 2 drone batteries and the remote control all at the same time, getting you back in the air faster. When you're only charging a single device, this charger can deliver up to 65W of power through one of the USB-C ports. What makes this charger stand out is its use of advanced GaN technology. This isn't just a buzzword. It means the charger is more efficient at converting power and generates less heat compared to older silicon-based chargers. This helps maintain charging speed while keeping the unit cooler, which in turn can help prolong its lifespan. Compatibility is another strong suit. The Ruko PD65W supports a wide range of fast charge protocols, including PD, QC, and PPS. This makes it compatible with a huge variety of devices beyond just the drone accessories. We're talking notebooks, smartphones, smartwatches, and essentially any device that charges via USB. Ruko specifically mentions it works perfectly with all their drones, robots, and cars, which is great if you're already invested in their ecosystem. Physically, the charger is described as stylish, compact, and portable. It's designed to be easily slipped into a pocket or backpack, making it ideal for travel, whether for business or just carrying it around daily. It means you can recharge your devices anytime, anywhere you have an outlet. There is a usage note worth mentioning. When you're using both a USB-C port and a USB-A port simultaneously, the charger's power distribution changes. In this configuration, it's best suited for charging phones and other low-power devices. For high-power devices like iPads or MacBooks, the recommendation is to use only one port at a time to ensure they receive sufficient power for efficient charging. So, you have the Ruko F11PRO 2 drone ready to capture video, and included with it is this powerful and versatile PD65W charger. The charger's ability to handle multiple devices at once, its fast charging capabilities thanks to GaN tech, and its broad compatibility make it a really useful accessory. Not just for keeping the F11PRO 2 powered up, but for all your other gadgets too. It's a smart inclusion with the drone package.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.